Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 25 to the power of 5 minus 25 and its whole square root. So we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to show all of the working on this paper. So we move toward the solution of this problem. So here first we need to break this exponent 5 and it will be written as 25 to the power of 4 plus 1 minus 25. And further in the next step we apply here the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have x to the power of m plus n is equals to x to the power of m multiplied by x to the power of n. So according to this rule of exponents, we break the exponent of this term and it will be written as square root of 25 to the power of 4 multiplied by 25 minus 25. And now in the next step you see here inside the square root sign we have 25 be the common term, so that when we take common 25 we get the remaining values are 25 to the power of 4 minus 1. And now here further in the next step we break this fraction, we break this square root and we apply square root separately on both of these two values, and it will become the square root of 25 into square root of 25 to the power of 4 minus 1. Here you very well know about that the square root of 25 becomes here 5 into square root of, we write this 25 to the power of 4 as 25 square and its whole square minus we write this 1 as 1 square. And now further in the next step we use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have x square minus y square equals to x minus y times of x plus y. So according to this nice formula, we write the above equation as in this form. This is 5 times of square root of, this will be written as 25 square minus 1 into 25 square plus 1. So further in the next step here we need more simplifications, and now here we need to focus on 25 square. So first we need to find the value of 25 square. So here calculator is not allowed in this problem, so that's why we need to do all of these steps. So here we 25 square means that we multiply 25 with 25, and now we break this 25 as in the form of tens and ones, so it will be written as 20 plus 5. So here we multiply this 25 separately on both of these two values and it will becomes 25 multiplied by 20 plus 25 multiplied by 5. And now further in the next step we consider this is one digit number and this is our two digit number, and 0 times 25 becomes 0 and 2 times 25 becomes here 50, and plus in the same pattern we multiply 5 with both of these two values and it will becomes 5 5s are 25, we write 5 and carry 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 becomes here 12, so it will be written as 500 plus 125. So we need to sum up these two values and we get 0 plus 5 becomes 5, 0 plus 2 becomes 2, 5 plus 1 becomes 6. It means that 25 square is equals to 625. So we substitute this value of 25 square on both of these two places, and after substituting this value to the above expression it will be written as this will becomes here 5 times of square root of, here we obtain 625 minus 1 into 625 plus 1. And now in the next step we need to subtract these two values and we obtain here 5 times of 624 multiplied by 626. So in the next step we need to simplify the terms which is lies inside the square root sign. So here we need to make the factors of 624 and 626. So first we make the factors of 624 in this way. Okay, so we divide this by 2 and we get here 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We again divide it by 2 and we get here 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. And so this is 2 7s are 14 and 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6 and 2 9s are 18, and 3 times 13 becomes 19, and 13 times 1 becomes 13. So these are the factors of 624, and now here we find the factors of 626. So we divide it by 2 and we get 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and 2 3s are 6, and we divide it by 313 by 1. Okay, so here you see that we have the pairs of 2 are, this is a 1 pair, 2 pair. Okay, now so we write these terms as, this is 5 times of square root of, here we write this is 2 square multiplied by 2 square multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13, which these are the factors which we get here. And now the factors of this term are 2 multiplied by 313. Okay, so here we need more simplifications, and now you see that these 2 and square root are cancelled out by each other. These 2 square and 2 square, when we move outside the square root sign, it will becomes here 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and we get the remaining values are, here we get these 4 values. So we need to multiply these 4 values here. So first you see that this is 13 times 3 becomes here 39, and 39 times 2 becomes here 78. Okay, so when you multiply these three values, we obtain here 78 multiplied by 313. So here we need a little bit more simplification, and we easily get the answer of this problem. So we multiply these values, 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. So we get here 20 times of square root of, this is 78 times of 313. So we break the 78 as, we write 313 as it is, and we write 78 as 70 plus 8. So we multiply 313 separately on both of these two values, and it will become 313 multiplied by 17 plus 330 multiplied by 8. So we have we consider this is one digit number, this is two digit number, and 0 times this number becomes 0, and 7 times this number equals to 7 3s are 21. We write 1 and carry 2. 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 7 3s are 21. And plus in the same pattern we multiply these values, 8 3s are 24. We write 4 and carry 2. 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 2 becomes 10. We write 0 and carry 1. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1 becomes 25, and its whole square root, and here we have the term is 20. So we need to sum up these values, and we obtain our final answer. So we have 0 plus 4 becomes 4, 1 plus 0 becomes 1, and 9 plus 5 becomes 14. We write 4 and carry 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, and here we have this is 2. So this is our final simplified form of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.